Hi, it's LeJanaro back with another video. Today I want to show you the Sara Marie Stickers Mystery Kit. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. Every month I purchase Sara Marie Stickers Mystery Kit. I think I've only missed 1 month, and I hate that I missed that month because the stickers were cute. So hopefully at the end of the year, like she did last year, she will put her mystery kits back on sale and I can grab the one that I did not get. But if not, I just missed out on it. But anyway, this is the mystery kit for November. Go ahead and open this up for you. My envelope was a little battered. I don't know what happened in the mail process, but it had black streaks all over it, like it had been ran over. I don't know what happened to my little envelope, but she always sends her stickers in a really cute striped envelope with her logo and everything on it. But here's the freebie for November, for November's mystery kit. A ton of icons, and I love these colors. I love these colors, and I love how large this sheet is of icons. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is going to be her new layout for her icons. I think that's what she said in her video, but I can't remember. But we have a ton of icons on here. Not going to go over all of them, but it's your basic essential icons, your coffee cup, your meal prep, your exercise, working, cleaning, washing clothes, taking meds. So I think this will come in good use. I like that she added the Chinese food there. And we have this here with the clip there. I like that. I think that's really nice. All right. So that's the freebie. And this is the sampler page here. Let's see if I can go out a little. There we go. All right. This is the sampler page. You have your washi here. You have labels and flags and boxes and dots and your weekend banner, your scripts. Super cute. I love that she changed her script to like a bolder script. I'm not a fan of like the really thin cursive. So I love that she changed her weekend banner to a thicker font, and also her script stickers to a thicker font. All right. And again, I love the colors of this kit. I think they are super cute. So that's the sampler page. And then we have this page here where we got some more washi. We got our date dots. We got our headers, our days of the week headers. We have some checklists, some more boxes. You got your canceled and rescheduled. And then the last page, you always get 3 pages and a freebie. We got more boxes, more labels, more dots. So yeah, I like it. I like this kit. I like it a lot. All right. I might definitely be using this in the coming year. I have, like I said, I've ordered all of her mystery kits except one. So I definitely want to start using those. I don't want to haul kits because I keep telling myself that I'm going to stop buying stickers and sticker books and different things like this. This is the one thing that I do want to buy every month for myself, just as a treat for myself. But I can't stop buying other treats for myself. So I don't want to hoard my stickers. I do want to use them. I did purchase her album, sticker album. So I keep all of her mystery kits in that sticker album. And I definitely want to use all of those in my hourly planner that I'll be using next year. All right. So that is it for her mystery kits. She does them, I think, I want to say the third week of every month, but I was a week ahead when I said it in another video. She did it the week before that. So I want to say it's the third Friday of every month, but don't quote me. She posts on Instagram. She has a Facebook group. She's on TikTok. And she has a YouTube channel. So she does put in all of those places, say in all of those places when she's going to do her mystery kit. Her mystery kit is available from Friday. I want to say 9 a.m. I think she's Central Time. So from 9 a.m. her time to, well, whatever it is in your time if you're not Central, to Sunday night, I believe. I think that's it. It's all weekend, basically, Friday through Sunday. But then after that, she takes the listing down and you won't be able to purchase them after that. All right. Thank you so much for watching. And let me know in the comments what you think about this kit. I really like it. All right. I'll see you in the next video.